Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. One of our most favorite proteins I cook with is chicken. There are so many recipes to choose from, like this featured one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Chicken Kiev. This Eastern European classic dish is simply delicious. Breaded outside and stuffed inside with garlic butter, this chicken is so juicy and a tasty way to enjoy this protein. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll prep the chicken. We'll place the breast, smooth side down, on a cutting board lined with plastic wrap before placing another one on top of the meat. Using the flat side of a meat mallet, we'll pound it down to about a 1/4 inch thick until we end up with a nice fillet. We'll set aside while doing the other breast. We'll generously season one side with ground sea salt and, of course, freshly ground black pepper. Next, we'll place about 2 tablespoons of my garlic herb butter on the widest part of the pounded breast. You can get the butter recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll now take the sides, fold them over the butter, then roll it as tight as possible, and you'll see we'll end up with a roll. We'll place each stuffed breast same side down on a plastic wrap and tightly wrap them up. That way, they'll keep their shape. When they're both nicely wrapped, we'll transfer them to the freezer for 30 to 40 minutes or until firm to the touch but not frozen. Meanwhile, we'll look after our breading station. We'll season the flour with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then mix them until well combined. The next shallow dish is a beaten egg, and the one after is simply some panko breadcrumbs. Alright, so half an hour later, we'll unwrap our chicken. See, it's nice and firm, exactly what we're looking for. And move on to the breading station. We'll coat the chicken on all sides into the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Then we'll move on to the beaten egg, and same here. We'll coat it well. We'll let the excess drip off and finish the coating with the breadcrumbs, making sure to cover entirely and pressing down gently to adhere. We'll place the coated chicken on a plate, same side down, and transfer them back to the freezer for 15 minutes. During that time, we'll add canola oil to a deep skillet and heat it up until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So, 15 minutes later, we're ready to cook, or should I say fry. And we'll place them in the hot oil, same side down, so they can seal properly and prevent the butter from oozing out. We'll fry them for 2 to 2.5 minutes, or until nice and golden, flipping them halfway through cooking. A couple minutes later, we'll transfer them to a wire rack sitting on a baking sheet that has been lined with foil. We'll sprinkle on some hot paprika before transferring them to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove from the heat and let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our Chicken Kiev. Juicy and tender on the inside with a crispy coating. This is an elevated way to enjoy this protein. This tasty chicken recipe is a total must-try. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!